C3, 10th Battalion, Signals, 16th Royal Scots. It's a little dog tag, 123rd. Okay, more stuff. 30th Battalion, 34th Battalion, 9th King Field Artillery. All right, cool. Officer's rank US, and a set of collars to the 12th New York Infantry. Bush cap, Canadian, US, British. Sam Brown belt. Sorry, snake belt, not Sam Brown. Might be 58th Battalion. I'll have to look that up a bit later. Buttons and badges. Generalist British, Horse Guards, Generalist Canadian. What else? Razor, field stuff. Private purchase, but that's okay. And some officer, sergeant's rank. Little Zippo for Palu, USS Palu. Cool. Let's do some research on that.